Okay, so we need to find an equation of the line that passes through the points 7 over 2, 59 over 6, and negative 3 over 4, and 11 over 4. So we're going to use y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Except in this case, I'm going to flip these around just because it keeps the number positive that way. So we're going to do 7 over 2. Nope, we're going to do 11 over 4 minus 59 over 6 over negative 3 over 4 minus 7 over 2. If you solve that out, you'll get negative 85 over 12 over negative 17 over 4, which then simplifies down to 5 over 3. And that's our slope for the line that we're looking for. So now you're going to pick one of these pairs to plug into y equals mx plus b, so we can solve for b. So I'm going to use 11 over 4 equals 5 over 3, because that's our slope, times our x value of negative 3 over 4 plus b. I'm going to solve it out, so 11 over 4 equals negative 5 over 4 plus b. Then we add this to the other side, and you'll get 16 over 4 equals b. So then our equation turns out to be y equals 5 over 3 x plus 4, which is b. Alright, for number 21, we're going to write an equation for the line that is parallel to the given point and line and perpendicular to the given line, and it has to cross through this point. So first we're going to solve this to put it into y equals mx plus b form. So we're going to start with 4x minus 6y equals negative 10. Going to move the x over. And we're going to divide and we're going to simplify it a little bit to get 2 over 3x minus 5 over 3. So our slope would be 2 over 3 because it's with the x, so that's for our parallel line. And to get the perpendicular one, you have to take the inverse of it, so it'd be negative 3 over 2. Now we need to solve for the b value. Oh, well, from right now we can already figure out which line would be parallel, because to get that exact slope, our x and y values have to be the same right here. So only parallel lines with the same x and y value, 4x minus 6y, could possibly get our solution. So right away we know it can't be c because that's different. It can't be d because that one's different as well. And it can't be e because that one's different from our original. And that's the only way we can get that same slope. Now we need to figure out the x value for our perpendicular one, or the b value for our perpendicular one. So we're going to take, let's see, we're going to take our point and plug it into y equals mx plus b. So we'll take negative 6, because that's our y, equals negative 3 over 2 times negative 2 plus b. This is for our perpendicular line. So then we'll multiply it out, and we'll get negative 6 equals negative 3 plus b. So negative 9 equals b. So now we come back to our choices, and for perpendicular we have 6x plus 4y equals 28, or 6x plus 4y equals negative 36. 28 divided by 4 does, 28 divided by, where's my 4 doesn't equal 9. 36 divided by 4 will give you your -9 value, so we know it's B. Moving down to 22. This one, it helps to draw a picture. So we have our line is x equals -9, so that will be down here. X equals +9, not -9. And then we have a point at -7, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have a point right down here. We want our line to cross through this point and be parallel to this line and perpendicular to this line. So in order for this to be parallel and cross through this point, it has to be an x equals, so it's parallel to x equals +9. So this would be the line that we're looking for, and the equation for that would be x equals -7. So this is correct. This one's correct. Oh, that's perpendicular. My bad. That one's not correct. And this one isn't a possibility because that's x equals 7. That doesn't pass through our point. Y equals 4. That doesn't pass through our point. And then y equals -4 doesn't pass through our point. So right away, we already know it's A. And then the perpendicular one is y equals -4. So that'd pass through this point, and it is perpendicular to this line, 90-degree angle. So our answer has to be A.